In this tutorial, we're going to be solving the following exercise about the addition and subtraction of vectors. Find the values of x, y, and z in each of the following vector calculations. Now for part A, we have the column vector x and 3 plus the column vector 5 and y equal to the column vector 9 and 3. Now we needed to find each and every single one. Now we know that 9 is equal to x plus 5, so let's write the whole equation. X plus 5 equal to 9. And so to find the value of x, we subtract 5 from both sides of the equal, and so that would be x equal to 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4. Now let's do the same exact thing to find y. 3 plus y equal to 3. Again, you can subtract 3 from both sides of the equal so that you can isolate the variable y. And so 3 plus y minus 3 equal to 3 minus 3. And so that would be 3 crosses out minus 3, y equal to 0. And so that would be the value of y in the column vector. Now moving on to part B. Part B says z into x and 12 equal to 7 and minus 24. So here we have two variables. The first one is the x component of the column vector, and the second one is z. So you cannot say z times x equal to 7. And of course we're multiplying z because in such case it is a scalar. So to find the value of z, we're going to form the second equation, which is z times 12 equal to minus 24. And so now what we can do is to work with the second equation, equation number 2, to find the value of z and then multiply it and finally substitute. So the value is z equal to minus 24 divided by 12, since it is the opposite of multiplication. Now that would be minus 2. And so now we substitute the value of z in the first equation, since we already know the value of z, which is minus 2. So we substitute z equal minus 2 in equation number 1 to find x. And that would be z times x equal to 7, which is minus 2 times x equal to 7. And that would be x equal to 7 over minus 2, which in other words is minus 7 over 2. And that would be the end of this exercise and the end of this tutorial.